Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Marta here, and today we will be making this super pretty pastel dream catcher. What if I tell you that you need only 5 minutes? What if I tell you that you don't need any special crafty skills to try this piece? Only a small amount of art goodies, art supplies that you need: some lace, some string, and hoop. I'm sure that most of us crafters, not only crafters, have those things at home. I hope you will feel inspired. I hope you will try and make this piece with me. It's a perfect idea for a gift for a little girl and for a big girl as well, and also a lovely piece for your home. I hope you will join me for a crafting session, and yes, shall we do it together? Let's go. I have two sizes of hoops. I have some yarn, I have some string as well, and I have plenty lace. Let's make some dream catcher together. I'm gonna start off and open up the small one, and I will put a knot on the side of my hoop. And I will start building my web on my hoop. There we go. And I'm trying to really, I'm trying to really strongly hold it and make it really not floppy, but opposite to it. Make it really nice and strong lines around the hoop. Easy? I think super easy, super fun. There we go. And I think we're nearly there. I think we need one more there, maybe one more there. I like that. Oh, you can hear my string going around on my floor. Oh, I think something moved there. That's okay. Okay, I think we can finish at that and quickly try to close this. Maybe I'll open it for a bigger one even. There we go. And quickly close it down. Close it so it will be nice and tight. There we go. Easy? I think super easy. There we go. This is what you should have. Next step is to decorate the lower part. We need some lace for that. I have plenty lace ready, and now grab your pieces however length you like. This one is probably around ½ meter long. Have your lace like this because we have to somehow attach it. So the idea is to go open the loop, take this one through the loop and pull. There we go. And even you can cover the metal piece here. Now you have to know how you're starting and how you are doing whether you are going with the loop this way or this way. So it would be good to do it each time the same way. So here it is. Here is my loop, and there we go. I like that. And this is what we have. Now choose a different color, or I'm gonna go on the other side maybe. So half my lace. Very simple, isn't it? Go front to back, pull it, open the loop, and you have it attached now nicely, and pull it, and we have this nicely attached. There we go. A different color? Sure. Maybe this lovely teal color. Front, open the loop. Oops, this is on the way. There we go. So that's what we have right now. Easy, super easy, pretty. I think super pretty indeed. And now one more. If you want this to be irregular, don't half it. Make one shorter, one longer. That's what I'm gonna do now. One shorter, one longer. Front to my loop. Through the loop now. You have to be careful because we have lots of lace now. through the loop, and there we go. Now if you feel that you wish this to be a bit shorter or a bit longer, you can always cut it a little bit. Maybe I cut this one as well, and maybe I'll just cut this one. And also I'm cutting this at the kind of the angle, like let me show you, like the triangle angle, like this or like this. So I think it just looks nicer. So I'm gonna cut them all at the angle, I think. There we go. Very nice, and I love how delicate that is. Now I'm gonna go with this one in front. It's not easy now to do it because we have plenty lace around it, but you have to admit how absolutely simple that is. Super simple and pretty, I think. Now I'm gonna maybe use this loop here and cover the metal. I have this lovely pomponi lace as well, which I hope to use. I'm gonna maybe half this, or maybe not half, but shorter and longer. So let's see if I can put it somewhere there, through there. I think it's a little bit tricky, but I'm sure you can manage. No, I think I have to repeat that process with my pomponi. With my pomponi. I have so many now that it's just more difficult. Let's do it again. Like this. There we go. And take the pomponi through the loop. One pomponi and another lace with pompons. There you go. And I'm gonna try to pull it now. I probably need to help it and move the pomponis with my hand. It's not gonna happen itself because it's irregular. There we go. That is so cute now. I'm gonna take this one away because it went through my pomponis for some reason. Oh, there we go. Now that's so much nicer. Let's see. Cute. I think it's very cute. Now you can also take lace and maybe go with your lace somewhere there, so that the pomponi can be in a different place. You can make it shorter if you like. Oh, there we go. That's so nice. And I can try to attach maybe this one. I open up one of the lace and maybe I'm able to attach it somehow. If this goes behind and I pull this. Okay, now super pretty. I think I can call this ready and finished. What you think? We can of course decorate it. I have those lovely hearts here, knitted hearts. I didn't knit them, no. I have them in the store if you're curious and if you wish to see it in my store. Same for the lace. I have plenty lace in the store, so have a look. I really love that, so I'm gonna attach those. I really love the hearts. They are handmade hearts. Stunning, isn't it? So I'm gonna use some hot glue and I'm gonna just attach this onto my strings, and voila, your gift idea for a girl, for a friend maybe, it's here. Inexpensive, easy. You can decorate your hoop with anything you have, anything you wish. This one, it's perfect, I think. I love it. I really love it. I hope you like that too. Let me know, definitely. A nice idea for Christmas gift, I think, and inexpensive as well. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this was inspirational. Grab some lace, grab some embroidery hoop, and flowers, die cuts, anything you have, stickers, you can decorate it with anything you have. I forgot one super small but important thing. It's the top part. You can do exactly the same thing. You can just for hanging, you know, you can just go through with your string and just make a knot at the end of it, and there you go. Easy. Thank you so much for watching, and I wish you happy crafting with making some dream catchers. We'll talk to you soon. Bye!